Hey guys, and it's me, Alara. So today I'm here doing a Mailtime video and also sharing my voice because in the last 4 or 5 videos you haven't heard my voice. So if you want to send some fan mail to me, like Mailtime to me, just send it to me. My user is AAKiwi down here. So it's not like AAKiwi 101 or AAKiwi this or AAKiwi that. It's just AAKiwi. Basic AAKiwi. So let's go do some Mailtime videos. So I'm going to change into a different... Okay, so here we're going to do some Mailtime. So let's just sit right in the middle of the net. Okay, so it is Mailtime. Okay, so this is the first one I got from Ruby Fox 2. Ruby Fox said, "Thank you very much, Ruby Fox," and I actually know her. Have an awesome beta. So from sheet cover. I've already seen that and it's not a beta, so I'm going to keep it just so I can maybe recycle it for gems, or I might keep it. But anyway, thank you very much. This is from PokeCat202. Penguin Tofu, thank you. I love those tofu things. Okay, now from another one from PokeCat. Rare eyeball hat, thank you. And this is one from Ice Sky 39. Reindeer mask, thank you very much. This is from YLV. Here we go. Shark fin, thank you very much. Goodness 04, I think. Well, anyway, thank you very much. Another one from Ruby Fox 2. Thank you very much, Ruby Fox 2. I'll definitely use that. Okay, from Catarola. Rare King's Crown, thank you very much. Turbo Yoshi. And, okay, so Turbo Yoshi 48248. Okay? Thank you very much, Rare Old Hood. This is from Frost Silence. I got our shoes, thank you. Orange our shoes. Back glasses, thank you very much. Fuzzy X22, thank you. The Super Rainbow. I like your username. Okay, Freedom Astronaut helmet, thank you. This is from Catola 22. Scary Unicorn, thank you. And this is from Bubbles 23552. And there's, oh, thank you very much. I think that's Spade Music. I don't know, but I think. Okay, so this is from Sea Life 7. Cool banner, thank you. This is from YLV once again. Knitted hat, thank you very much. Element Wolf 93266. Rare Cupcake Cat, thank you. Pigtails from Element Wolf 93266 again. YLV. Green Gecko plushie, thank you. Can I have a good gift too? Okay. Here we go, Flower Blossom 200. Thank you, but you can buy those in Epic Wonders, but it's alright because, you know, everybody's cool. But it's fine. Okay, Element Wolf. Miss Angel Wings, thank you very much. KT29002 is a cast. Thank you. Some of these gifts will help me get some more gems. Here you go. Oh, thank you very much. I really like those. And from Amazing Girl 202 for the star cake, thank you very much. So if you want some mail, all you have to do, or all I like you to do, just okay. So I'm gonna send it to Cleo. So all you have to do is type save for video. No, save for no. Okay. Just say I am a fan. Okay, that's all you have to say, and add your gift. Okay. Roll. Okay. So this. I am a fan. I'm a fan. And then add your gift. That's all you have to do. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!